VEMONT Action Camera 1080p 12MP Sports Camera Full HD 2.0-inch Action Cam 30m/98 feet Underwater Waterproof Snorkel Surf Camera with Wide-Angle Lens and Mounting Accessories Kit. Full HD 1080p. VEMONT Beginner and Kids Sports Camera with 2-zoom wide-angle lens, 1080p video up to 30 frames per second ensures that you can easily capture every moment. Waterproof case. High-quality waterproof case, this underwater camera can dive to 30m/98 feet, help you to record real water sports moments. Free accessory pack. VEMONT sports camera with mounting accessories can be easily mounted on helmets, bicycles, surfboards, cars and other objects. You can get more fun from your favorite sports. Long life rechargeable battery. VEMONT Action Camera comes with a 900 mAh removable rechargeable battery, which can be easily replaced, and the maximum continuous recording time is up to 90 minutes. Make sure you don't miss any wonderful moments. Two-inch LCD screen. Real-time display of the 2-inch LCD screen, convenient to capture every moment. We provide 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Good customer service will reply email in the shortest time. And the package includes 1x 1080p HD Sports Action Camera, 1x 900 mAh battery, 1x waterproof case, 1x bicycle stand, 1x fixed mount, 1x helmet mount, 1x clip, 1x base, 1x switch support, 4x bandage, 1x USB cable, only for charging, 1x manual. Screen size, 2.0-inch LCD screen, lens, 140-degree wide-angle lens, resolution, 1080p FHD, 720p FHD, VGA, QVGA, image format, JPG, battery, 900 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, recording time, 90 minutes at 1080p charging time, about 3 hours/batter, frequency, 50 Hz per 60 Hz, dimensions, 60 by 25 by 40 mm weight, 58 G. 900 mAh rechargeable detachable battery that is easy to replace. The charging status light remains on while THR battery is charging. The charging status light will turn off when the battery is fully charged. You can dive into water up to 98 feet, 30 meters. Perfect for water sports such as swimming, diving, surfing, and so on. You can install in anywhere such as helmets, bike, surfboards, cars and other objects easily. And perfect for outdoor sports, snorkeling, diving, gliding, skiing and climbing. Capture your every important moment and giving you a special experience.